Myriad-NOVUS and Myriad-LX troubleshooting. The Myriad-NOVUS console and Myriad-LX light source should ideally be placed at the foot of the patient, at waist level, and maintain a 5-foot distance from any electrosurgical equipment. Suction line troubleshooting. If the handpiece is not aspirating or cutting, make sure the handpiece is plugged into the console. Check the console and handpiece aspiration lines. Make sure both lines are plugged into the console and canister. Check the inline connection point to ensure it has not separated. Prime the handpiece and make sure tubing is free from occlusions. Canister troubleshooting. Check the canister and lid for cracks. Make sure the lid is on tight and all ports are capped. Governor troubleshooting. Make sure the governor is not set too low. Foot pedal troubleshooting. Make sure the foot pedal is plugged into the console. Nitrogen connection troubleshooting. Make sure the nitrogen input range is set at 90 to 100 psi and the nitrogen line connectors are properly tightened. Power connection troubleshooting. Ensure the Myriad-NOVUS console power cord is plugged in properly. Ensure the Myriad-LX light source power cord is plugged in properly. Be certain the power button on the back is turned to the on position. A green indicator light will illuminate when powered on. Myriad-LX light source troubleshooting. Confirm the light fiber plug is seated securely into the Myriad-LX light source. The connection is keyed. Ensure the notch is in the 12 o'clock position. Unintended reduction of light output. If a reduction in light output occurs during the procedure without adjusting the intensity setting of the Myriad-LX light source, check for the following: tissue occlusion at the distal end of the delivery sleeve assembly. It is important to avoid contact between the distal opening of the delivery sleeve and tissue or debris within the surgical field to prevent complete occlusion. Complete tissue occlusion of the LX delivery sleeve may lead to blockage of light from the LX illumination fiber, resulting in heat buildup at the tip of the fiber and potential melting of the distal end of the LX delivery sleeve. If occlusion of the sleeve is suspected, replace with a new fiber optic cable and delivery sleeve. Confirm the light source is not set too low or is not in standby mode on the LCD touchscreen. Deactivate standby mode and increase or decrease light output on touchscreen to desired setting using arrows. Check the watt-hours usage on the Myriad-LX light source touchscreen. If usage has exceeded 1,000 hours, the bulb and light filter need to be replaced through Biomed services. Ensure the fiber optic cable is seated properly. Insert the fiber until the silver stop contacts the plastic valve of the delivery sleeve. Tighten the valve by turning it clockwise to grip the fiber and prevent it from backing out. If none of the above solutions resolves the issue, replace both fiber optic cable and delivery sleeve.